It's now 5:30 in the morning. We're about to make our way to the Maracas Waterfall. This is the Hilton Hotel. It is known as the Upside Down Hotel because you will take the elevator from the lobby down to the rooms than the other way around. Style. It's now 6:47 in the morning and we now make it to the Lady on Lookout. What's that glory? Somebody let Masu know. I willing to do content. Hey, she's one of them 4x4s that they have. Fuck up in the yard. Whoever had the link, I'll make it happen. It's now 7:36 a.m. and we now make it to Mova Junction. You tell yourself, John, how your foot feeling, how your things feeling, how you're saying no earlier. Yeah, that was it. Hey! It's now 7:45 and we now pull up by the Foots Lady.
Got the jelly hard though. That's it. Yeah. Jelly hard.
Let's see his food.
I'll take my spoon.
You know we must get rid of this. Shout out to this was team one time. This is Papa.
You know, we are busy. Here we go.
8:19. We know we get to the crazy.
19 and you almost get a box dog.
Back when Trinidad had trains, this building was the first train stop when leaving Port of Spain heading east. And you know we are at the top of where we decide. Because this sun, it was sunning. John said I really need a whole Wasa truck. Where you feeling about Wasa truck? The sun, you go do it. Nah. Purple man win. Finally, we made it to the original capital, St. Joseph. This park and these trees have a lot of stories to tell from slavery times. Update. We're now in the Maracas Valley. And according to this side, we have 7 kilometers left. This is wild Island, and this could be used to cleanse your kidneys. These are the fruits. Yeah, man, this is sweet. Birds and things like this. Staying away from sugar this month, but on this walk, I need it. This is the Chiconia, the national flower of Trinidad and Tobago, and it's not the hibiscus. We are almost there. People often say don't drink from this fountain, but by today, drink it, bathe in it, whatever we had to do. Because the sun was sunning today. I'll take that. After 5 hours and 40 minutes, we finally made it to Maracas Waterfall. This had to be one of the most refreshing experiences after a walk like this, but I couldn't wait to see what the waterfall looked like from above. At just under 300 feet, Maracas Waterfall is the tallest waterfall in Trinidad and Tobago. Thanks to all y'all for watching till the end. Look for the walking man hitting an iconic spot near you sometime soon.